I got this weird engine hum that just started after a long trip. Here it is in neutral. See, you don't hear it. You don't hear it in neutral. You don't hear it in park. Just when you're driving. So limit it down to that. And when it gets to around 25 miles an hour, it starts coming on, and then gets progressively louder. If you let off the acceleration, let's listen. When you let off the acceleration, it's a little louder sometimes. Steering wheel's not vibrating or anything like that. We've had new wheels on. There's passenger side. Driver's side. Sounds awful. Over passenger side.